Connecting a new device to your Binance account is essential for secure access and trading. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection process. Step 1. Access the Binance website or app. Open your web browser or the Binance app on your device. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app or the official website to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the security section in the menu. This is where you can manage your devices and security settings. Step 4. Add a new device. In the security settings, find the option to add a new device. You may be prompted to verify your identity again through 2FA or email verification. Follow the instructions to complete the device addition process. Step 5. Confirm device connection. After successfully adding the new device, you should receive a confirmation notification. Check your email or app notifications to ensure that the device is now linked to your account. You can now start trading securely on your new device. By following these steps, you can easily connect a new device to your Binance account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication.